What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe. But today we are in for a fun day today. It is, first off, very, very hot in DC. It's supposed to be 92 degrees today, which is crazy. So I have my dry fit CP shirt on. And we have final walkthroughs today and then a pre-drywall walkthrough. So all of my appointments today are for new construction. Personally, I love new construction. I'm really, really good at it. I do a lot of it. I love seeing a client's home go from literal dirt to an actual home. So for final walkthroughs, it's really cool. We get to walk through the house to see it before they close on it. We also get to what we call blue tape it. So we walk through with a roll of blue tape, and any imperfections that we see, that could be anything from paint marks, paint scuffs, to, hey, there's a hole in the wall, or this isn't caulked right, or whatever. We get to walk through the house and we get to see what it looks like. We get to blue tape it up. And then also the project manager walks the client through the house. They walk them through every system, so they show them like how all appliances work. So your microwave, your refrigerator, your stove. And then also they give them maintenance tips on how to maintain the AC unit, how to maintain the furnace, how to maintain the hot water heater, all of those things. So it's a really, really important meeting. And this is typically the last or second to last time that a client gets to see their house before they close. But the exciting part is this is typically the first time that they will see the house completely finished. So it's typically a really, really exciting meeting. They are really, really excited for it. And on the flip side, I have a pre-drywall walkthrough. So it's just like how it sounds. We walk through the house with just the wood up before the actual drywall goes in. So if you know anything about those, you know that there's no air conditioning in these houses when you do a pre-drywall walkthrough. It's going to be 92 degrees in DC today. So it's going to be hot in this meeting today, but it's all good. We have our dry fit shirts on. I'm gonna bring a towel because I'm probably gonna be sweating like crazy, but it's exciting. You know, clients are always excited to see their houses before the drywall goes up, just to see the wood. You can see through all the walls and stuff like that. So that's always really, really exciting. So I'm excited for you guys to see it. Let's take a look at the first final walkthrough. I'll show you guys every house. It's gonna be a fun day today. drywall walkthrough. This is what your house looks like before it's done with all the wood and everything. You can see through everything.
They said I had a choice but to do pre-wire, but I would have preferred.
Like the framers, wearing long sleeves, we'll say keep the sun on.